What can be said about the author's tone in the highlighted text? In the context of the highlighted text, the passage says that you don't stop laughing because you grow old because you stop laughing. It can be inferred that the author is trying to highlight the importance of laughing. At the same time, the author is humorous in his tone. So we need an answer choice which indicates both sincerity and humor in author's tone. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A. Yes, it is correct that author is serious. However, it cannot be inferred that author is preaching. The word preaching indicates some authoritative tone, but the highlighted text doesn't indicate that the author is trying to preach. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B. Although it can be inferred that the author has a humorous tone, which is jocular tone here, it cannot be inferred that the author is casual. Author is very much serious or sincere in his recommendation. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C. Dutiful. Yes, it can be inferred that the author is dutifully trying to make a recommendation. However, it cannot be inferred that the author is authoritative. The word authoritative here is similar in meaning to preaching, and the passage doesn't indicate that the author is trying to exert authority in his recommendation. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D. Logical. The highlighted text has some sort of a logic, but the logic is not the core part of the highlight. Also, it cannot be inferred that the author is firm in his recommendation. The author is simply trying to make a sincere recommendation. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E. Humor. Yes, it can be inferred that the author is jocular when he makes the comments here. Also, earnest. Yes, it can also be inferred that the author is trying to make a sincere recommendation. So it can be inferred that the tone is earnest. So overall, this answer choice captures the author's tone very well. E is the correct answer.